Spine to round. See if you can maintain this length up through the spine, sitting up nice and tall. And then again, we have a little bit of time to play here to find what feels good, so make the most of it. Drop the baggage, stay present. So present with the sensation, stretching. And then when you feel satisfied, bring your head back to center and we'll draw the palms together at the heart. Go ahead and interlace the fingertips here. Sit up nice and tall, breathe. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze the hands together. And then slowly pressing the palms forward, up and back. Big stretch here. Ground down through the tops of the thighs, lift up through the front body. Think long puppy belly here through the front body, and then really ground down through the shoulder blades. So create space.